Hi everyone, Jai Johar, Jai Chhattisgarh. So today I will be showing you how to make double x-axis plot where the two axes are linked to each other. So I have the example of intensity versus energy and wavelength. So the energy and wavelength will make the two x-axis for our plot. Intensity will be on the y-axis. So when I was first making this plot, I searched on YouTube how to make such plots. I did find some videos, but their method only worked when the relation between the two x-axis was linear. It didn't work when the relation between the two axes was inverse. Like for the case of energy and wavelength, we know energy and wavelength are related by the formula E equals to hc over lambda. So they are inversely related. So today we have I have sample data of energy versus intensity. So let's see how to make that plot. So first we want to plot energy versus intensity. Let's make a line plot for that. Maximize the plot, and we want to add another layer having top x and right y axis. And now I want to click anywhere in the middle of the plot to open this plot properties window. Now we want to link the top axis to the bottom axis. Uh, First we will do a straight link between the two. So click on straight one to one, click on OK. Now you can see the two axes are linked one to one. So the top axis values exactly correspond to the bottom axis values. Now comes the important part where you specify the relation between the two axes. So E equals to hc over lambda. When you calculate the constants hc, you will get 1239.841939. So lambda equals to this number divided by energy, where energy is written in electron volts, whereas lambda is written in nanometers. So we have to specify the formula here. The constant divided by x. X is our energy variable here because the top axis right now has the energy values. So the variable x is our energy, and the output of this formula will be the wavelength. So you will see when I click apply, the top axis now has converted into wavelength values. You can't really see the wavelength values very well right now because there are too many decimal places. So let's limit the number of decimal places to 2, and then it will become more clear. There you go. Now I want to show you that the bottom axis values do actually correspond to the top axis values. So I want to turn on the grid lines for that. I've turned on the grid lines, and now let's open calculator, and let's enter the value. This is the constant that we have, and let's pick 2.145. So for 2.145 energy, you should have 578.01. Yeah, that is what we have here. So it is correct. Now let's take another example. Let's pick 2.160 this time. So we should get 574.00, which is what we have here. So the two x-axis are linked to each other, and the wavelength values do actually correspond to the energy values that are on the bottom x-axis. So that is how you make double x-axis plot. Thank you for watching the video. Bye bye.